Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brunel. If you don't know who I am, this is the August unboxing of the Natural Beauty box, which has, as per the title, actually provides natural beauty products, usually handmade, with lots and lots of good ingredients in there, which are fantastic for your skin. So clearly, I have no idea what's inside because it's not been opened. So we'll start off with the box. And by the way, please look in the description bar for the total value of the items if you want to see whether it's worth it. If I don't put it on the thumbnail itself, you'll look in the description bar. Okay, so it says here, Quench and Glow by the Natural Beauty box, August edition. So you have that here, voila. And then here it tells you what is it and what's in there. About natural Nakin. Oh, Nakin. Okay, Nakin natural anti-aging advanced cleansing milk. Ooh, it tells you the value of the items in here as well. And by the way, that's worth £15, and it says here total value worth is £50.70. So I don't even have to do the work now. I've already told you the value. It's what it says here on the card itself. All right, so Buff, which is natural body care. All right, we are proud that our products are 100% natural, blah 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 blah. That's all very well. Let's just open this now and get the big reveal so I can give you. Ooh, okay, so let's see from the card if it gives me pure and natural tensile sheet, collagen extract face mask. Oh, so sorry, it's a face pack. So it's a face pack there. And it is from a company called CHOBS, CH Organic Beauty Store. So you have the information there, which is actually in a different foreign language. Yeah, so I don't know how long that's going to take. I can't read that. There's a little bit here. After how to apply it, collagen mask is after cleansing, use toner to refine skin texture. Take out the mask from package and spread everywhere evenly over the entire face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Remove the sachet after 10 to 15 minutes and gently pat to allow the remaining formula into the skin. So there you have it. So collagen treatment, which is good for elasticity in your skin, as well as skin texturizing. So there you have them. First item. Next one are 12 Beauty Ideal Brightening Corrective Serums. So skin brightening serums. You have two there. And each one here you have 1 ml. So I would assume it's just one for each usage. I'm not too sure. I think there might be just sample bits anyway. Let's see. CHOBS one that I just looked at is worth is £4.10. And also the Bespoke Aroma, Bespoke Aroma 9. These I think are just sounded like samples. So anyway, so the next one is this one, which is from Bespoke Aroma, which is refreshing facial mist, which is 100% natural, which is great. And in here you have 30 ml. And if I just see the value of this, it is Bespoke Aroma Peppermint facial mist. It was worth £4.25. Great. Next item is this one. Ooh, this looks very promising actually. This is Hazelnut Oil, and it's from a company called Divine and Handmade. So let's have a look at that. Divine and Handmade Pure Hazelnut Oil, which is worth £9.90. Multitasker, suitable for face, hair and body and all skin types. Can be used to cleanse, moisturize, mix with other oils, add to bath, or prevent split ends and heat damage in your hair. So you have that. And then the sachets were some free sachets from 12 Beauty. So those were the sachets earlier which were free. They were not part of the total value of the £50.70. But there you have that. Next item, this one. Oh, I'm going to add sea salt body scrub evening blend, hand harvested sea salt, certified organic coconut oil, and essential oils of bergamot, ginger, palmarosa, patchouli and sandalwood. Ooh, sounds fantastic. I cannot wait to get myself, get a whiff. There you have it. So you've got the oil there, but obviously because of the heat, oil melts. You can put it in the fridge if you want to make things a bit more solidify it. You put it in the fridge for a little while and it will solidify it, and then you do that. But just smelling it, oh, that smells gorgeous. Yeah, it smells so good. So good. So never mind. Whatever. Right, so bath. So let's have a look at what it says quickly about bath. Bath Nuit warming and relaxing sea salt body scrub is worth £12.50 for this, people. £12.50. Give your skin a good old buffing with this evening blend, then soak in the sumptuous aromas to help you relax and unwind while the oils deeply moisturize to leave your skin beautifully smooth, silky soft and delicately scented. Ah, lovely. Next item is this one. Ooh, this looks big. Nakin, which is the first item on the list, which is the anti-aging advanced cleansing milk, which is worth £15. Deeply cleanse to remove makeup. Nice. Impurities and to remove makeup, impurities and pollutants with hyaluronic acid, pomegranate and seaweed extract to even skin tone, assist cell renewal. Skin is left clear, smooth and radiant. Fantastic. So this is the one, the main one. And then you've got one more item, I believe it is, which has not been I've not looked at. This is the Bespoke Aroma Uplifting Bath Tea Infusion. Whoo, I like the idea of this very, very much. Let's have a look at Uplifting Bath Tea. There, I'm just having a look at that Peppermint facial. No. And also Divine Handmade Pure Hazelnut Oil. That's not the one. I can't. I'm trying to find where it is. Treat yourself in the morning soak to start the day, relax and energize with this uplifting bath tea to stimulate and focus the mind while nourishing and hydrating the skin at the same time. So this is the one. Use it in the morning to kind of like wake you up and go. So you got all set up for a good day and feeling well and truly energized. So let me see if it's got a smell. I want to see what the inside is like. I'm just pulling it out. It's in, oh, okay. It's inside. It's got a plastic and it's in a bag. So I'm just going to pull out a little bit. You can see there's a bit of, oh yeah, this is definitely uplifting. All right. Ooh, there's a little bit out on the bag that I can see. Listen. Oh yeah, this is definitely uplifting. If you're not into naturally scented stuff, then obviously this box is not going to be for you. However, if you are, then yeah, I'm very happy I can't bother to put it inside a box. But these are all the items, so not bad at all. I can't remember how much the box is normally for. It's about £20 or thereabout. So value for money definitely when you take into account that it's probably the total value of items is double the price that you pay, which is very good indeed. So yeah, and I love myself some natural beauty stuff. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing. I did get to try last month's other items, and I do love some of them more than others. And I am actually going to include some of them at the end of this month, which is by next week, in the stuff that I am loving at the moment. So you will get to see, and I'll tell you a bit more about those other items. But thank you very much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already, people. Come on, people. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And yeah, my son's hands are getting knackered now. So I better say bye-bye because I'm rambling now. Thank you and see ya.